Hello, it's Stormy Weather
and Swim Geek 101,
and we're gonna be making we're gonna get into the trend of
fluffy slime.
But we're gonna do some different kinds. We're gonna do pastel and
we're gonna try glitter glue and see how that works.
So yeah. So what you'll need for this is some different mixing bowls. We have different sizes here.
Yeah.
A 1 cup and a 1/2 cup. Some water.
And you need some borax, cornstarch, and of course the glue, which you usually only use Elmer's glue, like the normal kind, but
School glue.
school glue.
And shaving cream, which we stole from her brother.
Maybe.
Even though he said not to.
It's okay.
So let's get into it. So,
okay. So the first thing you need is just 1 extra bowl, you know.
this is gonna be the mixture that we're gonna set off to the side.
Okay, so you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of borax. And then
There's a big box
and
here.
add it into 1 cup of hot water. Chickens!
I'm sorry, those are my chickens.
Chicken!
Alright, so 1 cup of warm water. Hot water.
1 cup of hot water. Do we have enough?
Only for 1.
We're not using hot water, but you know,
Whatever. We have a water bottle here since we're outside.
it's 1 cup of the top line.
It says 1 cup.
Be quiet.
Aw, don't you just love nature?
Yeet.
Okay, now
Right on the line. That like goes up to the line.
It does. Ooh, there's a hair in there. Okay,
And then,
a 1/2 teaspoon of borax.
okay, we have to put the borax in. Almost skip to the next step.
Can't just skip. My hand's not gonna fit in there.
Make sure that's not a tablespoon.
Teaspoon? Okay.
This is 1 teaspoon too.
This is a 1/2 teaspoon. Was it 1 teaspoon or a 1/2 teaspoon?
Take 1 teaspoon of borax.
Oh, oops. Well,
You can just do 2 of those.
I can't get any out. There's like a 1/2 of a 1/2 teaspoon there.
Way to go.
Woo!
My nose itches.
That's a clump. Why is there a clump in there?
She just dropped it.
You didn't see that.
I think I did.
That was only 1/2. I only got 1/2 there. I need
Okay,
another
wait a second.
1/2.
I'm shaking the camera. Oh well.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake. So what's the difference between those two?
What? Mine's a 1/2.
No,
They're just like so that it will hold better, like powder liquid or something like that. There's no difference. It's just like usually whenever I'm using liquid, I'll use this because it would be better. But it's whatever you prefer. Or like if it's smaller, you can use the
Stop
small.
myself in here. I actually did stop myself because I got glasses.
So yeah, those are the difference between these. We have one.
I seriously just poured it all out.
I applaud you.
Yeet.
Awkward silence. We're just gonna fast forward to this part. Okay, you got 1. I need another
That
one.
was not 1. I only won't pour anything.
Okay, well I still need like 1/2 that, so give me the rest of that because I only got 1/2 there. Bam! Woo!
Magic!
Now we have to stir them, so just kind of use these because, yeah.
Just put mine on the table.
You're welcome. Stirring, stirring.
Stir, 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 senora. Stir it all the time.
Are we supposed to stir them?
I mean, I don't see why we wouldn't.
Because it's not dissolving. We might be the only ones that don't know how to make slime, and it's the trend, Leah. Wow. We're just gonna set this aside and go to the next step.
Mix it until it's thoroughly dissolved and set aside for later.
After you have your mixture, just set it aside later, and here comes for the fun part. This is the glue. So you already had it up.
It turned off. Okay, step 2. Pour 1/2 cup of glue into a separate bowl.
I need my glue. So she's gonna be doing the glitter glue and I'm gonna do the Elmer's glue.
Do you see that?
Wait,
how
half
much?
cup?
Yeah. Wait, just wait. Ah, it turned off again.
Applause. Right there.
I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty positive it was a half cup. Oh my lord! Stop.
This isn't
That's 1/2 cup of glue.
You know, I got this cup so that we can do the water, and then this for the half.
It works.
It's not one in here, so half cup.
Half cup. Why don't you just take the lid off?
I can't. It's like, it glued itself on.
Well, it's probably because it's old.
I can tell the glue is
Yellow.
yellow.
Yellow. Jello.
Like, you try.
Oh my lorsh.
Careful, it's open.
Okay, nope. Just do it the hard
Stop.
way. 10 hours later.
I'm only at a 1/4. Finally got it!
Woo!
Make sure your lid does not get glued shut. So just pour it in. Ooh, isn't that
Whoa.
satisfying?
Yes, it is.
Ooh, that has borax on it. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I'll just
We can just use one of these.
give me the half.
It's still fun to play with. It's gonna end up spilling all over the place.
You're just now to do Leah's. We didn't clean it out.
It's okay. It's glue, right?
Yeah, that's like glue.
I don't know how I'm supposed to see where the cup is.
Half cup.
Well, I know I see where the half cup is, but like
Oh, here.
windshield wipers.
It's already starting to dry.
Oh well. This is like
Satisfying.
oddly satisfying.
Maybe we should just make an oddly satisfying video. We watch this glue get poured. Oh, wait, you look at that.
Is that good? No, I'll just a little more.
Just a little more.
All right.
What's the next step? I'll get yours.
Well, I gotta pour mine.
Oh, I love it. It looks like it's not even color. If you need to, use this to get the rest of it out. It's gonna be a lighter shade. We probably could just put some like blue in there.
Well, it's Easter coming up soon, so
I mean, yeah, the lighter color will feel
I like mix the two colors together.
good. I like it.
Should I mix it together so it's
Yes. So it's not just one, like half a color.
All right.
So what's the next step after you mix that?
1/2 cup of shaving cream. I looked ahead.
Nice job. So 1/2 cup?
Yes.
We're using this.
Sounds good.
And I'll just do only half of it.
That's whipped cream.
What the heck? It's not that empty.
It's actually a full thing.
Yeah. It's just not spraying out very well.
There we go.
And you add it to the same bowl as the glue, not the borax.
Okay, so this makes it full.
Where do I put this?
On the table. It's a picnic table. It's okay.
That's true.
It's okay. It's just whipped cream.
It's just whipped cream.
Yeah.
Oh, it's totally whipped cream.
Yeah.
You want to lick it, Bubs?
Yeah.
No, don't lick it. Don't lick it. That's actually a full cup. We added a full cup, not half, so we'll see what happens.
Fluffier.
You don't have to add the full cup. I just added the full cup because I was getting carried away.
Well, like if it was smashed down, I bet it would have been smaller.
True. There's...
It all came out as like a giant ball.
Okay, and we mix it. You know what you could have done?
Huh?
You used this side. You could have used this side to get your glue out.
I could.
Wait.
That's about.
So once you got your whipped cream, I'm smart. Your shaving cream in there. You're just gonna mix them together, right?
Yeet.
What's the next step after that?
Add. Oh, that's the same step.
This is mine.
That was
This
optional.
is my pot.
It's optional to add body wash or soap, like the. All right. So we have mixed ours. Mine's like a
Pastel blue.
pastel blue.
Can you even see the sparkles? Not really.
Not really, but it
now
works.
we're on to the cornstarch step.
Yep. Add slightly more than 1 tablespoon of cornstarch.
Tablespoon. Oh, it's brand new. Gotta open it.
Ah!
You have failed, child.
Why, I got it.
Nope.
Mommy.
I am only a day older than you. I cannot be your mother.
That is a lot more than slightly. That's good. You're a fail.
I thought it would be like. Don't let me touch anything. I got it all over my pants.
You got it all over.
You're welcome, Leah. Okay, now we stir it. Stirring, stirring, stirring. It's coming together. This is where I should have put them into another bowl so then I could do 2.
Should I just stir with this?
Yes, because I'm using this. And we're just gonna split it next.
We should close this because we're very messy with borax. Okay. There's
Okay.
going on up stuff.
Stirring, 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 stirring. Stir to the
Look
left,
at it.
stir to the right. Stirring all day long.
Oh, we're recording.
You didn't know we were recording. See, and that's why that's to show that that's how I actually act. She didn't know we were even recording.
What's the next step after we're done stirring? Just gonna spin it.
Shouldn't it be becoming?
It should be coming close to the end. Add and slightly more than 1 tablespoon of. I already just did that. Haha.
Should it be? I mean, it kind of.
Mix thoroughly but careful. Add lotion or slime.
I don't know what just happened there. My chickens were fighting.
Add in food coloring. And then add 3 teaspoons of
That's what we
borax.
forgot. We're smart. Oh wait, well,
Well, the teaspoons are in the borax.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna separate this so we can do 2 different colors.
Add 3 teaspoons of borax to your slime mixture.
Oh, there's still some more in
And
there.
then knead in slime. Then we should be done. Boop. I think it should be good. Oh nope, there I saw a little bit of borax. Blech.
That's cornstarch, sweetie. You said borax. It's cornstarch.
Yeah.
Hunty.
Hunty.
Hunty. Hunty.
Hun. Tea.
Tea.
There needs to be a kind of tea named Hun. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
What, is it just gonna taste like, have honey in it, you know? Is that what it's
Sure.
like, kind of confused there. Okay. So, how much do we add? Hey, it actually dissolved.
Add 3. Wait, are we gonna do food coloring first?
Do you want to do food coloring first?
Well, it's supposed to be food coloring before that.
Okay, well, hold on then.
Add in food coloring.
Okay.
Coloring.
Do we have another little... Oh, okay. So I'm gonna do... You already have the pastel blue going on.
Yeah,
So I'm gonna do green and yellow.
You can't see this, but she got her glue and stuff all over the food coloring.
I had your glue somehow on my hands. Somehow I have your glue on my hands, so I cannot open
Darn it,
this.
I just put this in this after I was trying to get it off.
Here, well, you should just set that down so you can open this for me. Because you went and washed your hands.
There's still...
Well, you should pause so I can get my green going. I am the best.
She is the one you son don't need a gun to get respect out on the street. Boop.
Okay, I don't want to do too much, so we're gonna pause there. Oh wow, that's a lot of green. Okay, no, good. Phew. That was gonna be too much green.
But we haven't said this yet, but well, I'm pretty sure we have said Easter's coming up Sunday. But
Yeah.
anyways, Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
Early for this year, late for last year. Bleh.
But
Or it is Easter when you're watching this. Of 20,400.
me too. Hello, if you are from 20,400.
Hello, we are from the past. Because today you will not see it. You will not see it the day we make it. So you will be watching it in the future. Oh, we're just so good. Yeet.
So this is
Yeet. We're good.
So this is what the green turned out to look like. It's good green.
What is life? Life don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Well, it can't hurt you. You don't have one. When realization hits you.
You know what I just realized? That would be the second video I shoved you in. And we only have like what?
6.
Yeah.
And then a yellow. Hey, look, I got that one. Ah! It looks like red.
It looks like the color of
My soul. No, that's black.
It's red, actually.
Okay, and I didn't think this through.
I didn't think life through.
Of course you didn't, because you're sitting here at my
With
house.
you. I'm just kidding.
We love each other.
As friends.
Yeah.
Don't get any ideas.
No, please don't.
You're nasty.
Yeah, nasty.
You're nasty.
Oh, this yellow is cute.
Add 3 tablespoons of borax. I'm gonna go ahead and go to that step.
Go ahead. There's the yellow.
I got my borax back.
Okay.
Is this the teaspoon?
It is a teaspoon.
Yeah.
Mine's a half a teaspoon, so that means I have to add more than you because mine's half.
I feel like we're supposed to, okay, it has more instructions. Stir thoroughly, then continue adding the borax mixture 1 to 3 teaspoons at a time until the slime is at the consistency you'd like it to be. You will likely not use all of your borax mixture. It is important to not add too much of it or your slime will harden and break. The original recipe only uses 6 to 9 teaspoons of the borax solution.
I have 2.5 now.
Oh, you're already
No, I
adding.
have 1.5. Now I have 2.
I feel like we're supposed to be mixing in between.
Oh.
1, 2,
Oh yeah, because I forgot. I have smaller amounts than that.
3.
Crap. I'm smart.
Hmm.
Mine's smaller than that, so I should have, yeah, not have. Definitely, if you're doing a smaller mixture like I did, don't use as much because mine's already together. Yeah, it forms a lot more. It forms quicker than you expect it to.
Oh my lorsh! It's
Lorsh?
just a giant.
Oh my lorsh is now the new word of 20.
I've always said that because I will not use his name
so-
in vain.
My fingers might be dyed yellow.
They are. It's like a yellow Smurf.
It looks like cotton candy. I want to eat it.
Don't eat it.
Don't eat it. Please don't eat this. This is a fun to play with, not to eat situation.
Did you ever see that commercial of Play-Doh where they accidentally said it backwards? They
No.
said fun to eat, not to play with. And they had to delete it. It was never shown again.
That was great. That'd be so great. Okay, it needs a little more.
That person probably got fired. This stuff is fantastic.
If you don't want it to stick to your fingers while you're trying to still make it, you know,
Should I add any more?
you're gonna have to add a little more because it's still gonna stick to your fingers because that's where you need to start kneading it.
It's seriously all on this.
Nice.
How do I get it off?
With your hands. See, look, it cleaned my hands off.
What does the borax even do?
It makes it fluffy, not stick to your hands. See?
Mine's gonna be sticking to my hands.
Yeah, because you have to knead it with your hands. Smart one. There's the yellow, a pretty pastel yellow. Now let's try the melted Shrek. See what happens with the melted Shrek.
If you get the
Joke, I guess.
the joke
It's not
or
really a
whatever you
joke.
want to call it,
It's not a joke.
comment down below. Probably won't get very many comments, but I feel like I need to add more borax.
Yeah.
Bloop. So that would be
It
my...
seriously does look like melted Shrek. I love it.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
It's so cool.
Melted Shrek! I should never do that again.
You sound like my mom. You actually don't sound like my mom.
Like, when have I ever sounded like your mother?
When you call me by my full name, which is not going to be said. This is not.
If it gets too like sticky, just put your hands in your borax mixture and it'll help some.
Oh my lord, this is so fun.
Oh my lord.
Oh my lorsh.
Lorsh? How would you spell that?
Lorsh.
Lorsh.
Oh my lorsh, this is way too scary.
It's too sticky, then put your hand in.
Alright, so we have the green, the yellow, and blue.
This is
You broke it!
This is so cool.
Ha ha.
This is like amazing.
I wonder.
Do you hear that?
It has bubbles in it.
There's like holes in it. Can you see that?
Can you see that?
Can you
I
see
almost
that?
dropped that in the borax.
Wouldn't be sticky anymore.
That's right, it would not be.
What makes it like... Is there a way to make it stretchier?
Probably. Oh, wait, I want to see what happens.
Probably it was the lotion that we were gonna add.
So I just added green because I wanted to see what happened. I didn't use it all. I put the green back.
Just look at this stuff. It is amazing.
So I added more green to mine, so now it's like a...
What would happen if I added blue to mine?
Let's
I
find
didn't add any food coloring. So right now I'm just gonna put you right here. I don't know where I'm supposed to put this. Thank you. So you kind of see better.
Feel mine and then feel yours.
Yours is softer.
I didn't add as much as borax.
So soft.
Chickens.
So soft.
That is so cool.
Okay.
He had like zero. Look at that.
Okay. So if you don't add the food coloring in, like when it says to, it won't matter because you'll just have to work your color in because that's what I just did. What if I add red to it? I'm curious.
Right.
I'm doing it. My hands are going to be beautifully colored. Oh, it looks like it's bleeding.
I'm gonna have blue on my hands. I already do.
So I just added red to mine. I'm kind of off camera there. It's okay. Just added red, so let's figure out. So what you're gonna do is you add in color. Okay, so Leah was adding more, and look at hers. Isn't that so pretty? Look at it. Look at it.
So cool.
So she added more. So it doesn't matter when you add the food coloring,
Yeah.
because if you do add more food coloring, all you'll have to do is kind of just fold it in like this.
I wouldn't advise adding lotion because
It's not very stretchy.
yeah, it just breaks really
Mine kind of turned into an earthy color, but I like it. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more of our beautiful faces.
easy.
So, goodbye, peasants.
No, we love you.
Bye.